Sheikh Hayakallah, there's a question from a Reba sister about Surah Kahf on Friday and the benefits between two Fridays. Does she get the same benefits if she reads it in English?
No, you will not get the benefit, the same benefit which is the Prophet to Allah ﷺ. He said, "Man qara'a Surah Al-Kahf yawm al-Jum'ah, أضاء الله له من بين ما بينه وبين البيت العتيق." Allah will put a light between him and the Kaaba, and also between heavens and earth. Okay, that is for the person who recites the Quran in its Arabic language. But she will be rewarded for reading the transliteration. If she can't read the Quran, that's something else. Because Allah Azza will give that reward for the person who's trying to read the Quran but he can't read it. Okay, he's trying his best. Then I would say in this case, yes, try to read it. If she can't, she reads the meaning of it, and hopefully Allah Azza wa Jal will not deduct or exempt her from the hasanat that will be given to the person who recites the Quran in Arabic, inshallah.